so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Woo! Hey! It's me, Blippi! And can you guess where I am today? Yeah! That's right! We're here in Diggerland in Kent, England! Whoa, and do you see what I'm riding in? Yeah, this right here is a telehandler. Yeah, they're really big vehicles that lift really big, heavy things. But today, it's not lifting a big, heavy thing, it's lifting me! Woo! Here we go! Woo! Whoa! Diggerland is awesome! And I wonder what kind of construction vehicles we'll see today. Wait a minute, do you hear something? I think I hear a vehicle. Do you see a construction vehicle behind me? Whoa, check it out! It's an excavator! Yeah! Well, I love excavators. Oh, I have an idea. Let's pretend to be excavators and dig in the dirt together. Okay, I'll teach you how. Just bring up your arm to be the arm, the boom, and the bucket, and start to scoop. Whoa, look at a scoop! Whoa, that was so much dirt! Good job. Hey, wait a minute. I think I see someone in the cab. Maybe they can teach us how to operate the excavator. Let's take a closer look. Come on. Whoa, it's so muddy here. Good thing I brought my rain boots. Oh, hey, there's a person. Come on, let's go say hi. Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Blippi. What's your name?
My name's Brad.
Oh, Brad, it's nice to meet you. Can you teach us how to operate the excavator?
Of course I can.
Okay, cool. So, Brad, can I climb up in there?
Yes.
Okay,
Careful.
Here we go. Let's get into the cab.
So, seatbelt first for me.
Oh yeah, safety first.
That stick over there, I want you to pull it backwards for me, and that's gonna go all the way up.
Okay, here we go.
If you push it forwards for me, it should go all the way down for you. Now, if you go side to side on that one, it's gonna open and close your bucket for you to do big scoops.
Whoa, check it out!
Now, on this one here, if you go forwards and backwards for me, that's gonna go in and out.
Okay. Whoa! So this is controlling the arm.
Yes. And then the last bit, if you go side to side on it, that will turn the whole thing for you.
Okay, here we go. Watch
Awesome.
out.
Watch out.
Whoa! Whoa! Check it out! Whoa! Yeah, I can control the arm right here and the boom over here. Here we go. Woo! Whoa, this is awesome! Whoa, let's scoop some more dirt. Here we go. Whoa, look at all the dirt we got. Here we go. Did you see that? Whoa, excavators are awesome! Whoa, it's so bumpy. Woohoo! Whoa, that was so much fun learning how to operate the excavator. Huh, but excavators are really cool, but I bet there's some pretty amazing construction vehicles we can go find. Come on! Whoa! This place is so much fun! Whoa, and do you see what it says? It says stack attack. Wait a minute, I think this is a game we can play together. Well, let's go inside and play. This place is awesome! Whoa, check it out. Yeah, so muddy and dirty here. I bet this game is definitely gonna be messy. Whoa, and look at what it is. They're giant tires. Woo! Whoa, look at all the tires here. It looks like there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tires. Well, I bet the game is we need to stack all the tires up. Stack, attack, stack the tires. Okay, we can do it. Okay, we just need to get a tire and stack it on another, and we can make a tower of tires. Okay, here we go. Whoa, that tire is way too heavy to pick up. But I wonder how we're going to stack all of those tires. No way! Look at what it is. It's a compact loader. Whoa! This is gonna be perfect for stacking those tires. Yeah, do you see in the front? This is a hydraulic claw. Yeah, look at it. Whoa! And it uses these little claws here to grab the tires and stack them up. Whoa, I think we should get inside and try to stack up those tires. Whoa, this is pretty fun. Hey, it's kind of like any other vehicle. Safety first, you need your seatbelt. Okay, we'll buckle up. And well, we also need to know how to drive it. So first, we have pedals. One pedal goes forward, and the other pedal, it goes backwards. It has a key, just like a car, so we can turn it on, and a steering wheel, so we can change direction. Whoa, and do you see what this is? Yeah, this right here, this is the control for the hydraulic claw. Yeah, when we move this, it will move the claw so we can stack up those tires and have lots of fun and win the game. Okay, I think it's time to stack those tires. Here we go. Woo! Look at it go! Whoa! Whoa, look at it go! Okay, here we go. One tire! Okay. Whee! We stacked 3 tires, but we need to stack the rest. We only have 1 more tire! Whoa, this is so fun! Let's do it! Woo! Okay. Whoa! Did you see that? We stacked all 6 tires, but they fell over. That was pretty fun and a little bit silly. Come on, let's go! Woo! Hello! Check it out! Do you know what I was just driving? Yeah, that is a backhoe! Yeah, it's a little bumpy to drive, but so fun! And I thought we could go on a ride together. But first, I wanted to show you this. Yeah, do you know what this is called? It's called the front bucket. Yeah, and on a backhoe, it helps to dig up all the dirt so you can make a really big hole and help to build something if you're on a construction site. Whoa, and check it out. A backhoe has really big wheels and tires. Yeah, look, it has medium-sized front wheels and tires and really, really, really big back wheels and tires. It's a little bit muddy. Yeah, look, big treads help to get all the mud so it can go really fast. and so that it doesn't get stuck. Whoa, and do you see what this is? Yeah, it's an excavator arm. Wait a minute, a backhoe like this has an excavator arm attachment, just like the Blippi mobile has an excavator arm attachment. Yeah, it has an arm, a boom, and a bucket, so it can dig all the dirt in the back, or the front bucket can dig in the front. Well, that was really cool showing you the exterior of the backhoe. Now, it's time to get inside and go for a ride. Come on. Here we go. Watch your step. Whoa, I am so excited to go on a ride with you. But first things first, you need to buckle your seatbelt. And I'm gonna buckle up too. Safety first. Okay, and now we get to start the backhoe. And kind of like a car, it has a key right over here. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Yeah, check it out. We're inside the backhoe. It has a wheel just like a car, and look, oh, a windshield wiper. Hello. Okay, but it's not raining right now, so we don't need that. And it has a gear shifter, so we'll put that into the right gear and take the brake away. Okay. Okay, we're all ready to drive. Oh, but I forgot another important thing. Yeah, if we want to move the front bucket, we just move this knob right over here. Here we go. Check it out. Whoa, up, down, up. Okay, I think we're ready to drive. Here we go. Woo! Do you see what it is? Yeah, there's a bunch of tires. Maybe we can try to pick one up. Okay, here we go. Whoa, do you see it? Look, we grabbed a tire with the front bucket. And I have an idea. Let's take it with us on our journey. Woo, here we go. Whoa, that was a big bump. Yeah, but it's so fun driving in a backhoe because the tires and treads are so big that even if we drive over a couple bumps, it's okay. Yeah, can't hurt us. Here we go. We're gonna make a big turn. Whoa! And through a big puddle. Woo! Whoa! Oh, good thing we have our seatbelt on. Wait a minute. Look up ahead. It looks like there are two really big hills. 1, 2. One of them looks really, really steep and really big. You think we can make it over it? Good, me too. Okay, we're gonna go really fast and go over the big hill. Let's do it. Here we go. Here we go. Woohoo! Whoa! 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 Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! That's pretty fun. Whoa! It's really raining now, which means we get to have lots of fun in the rain and the mud. Whoa! And look at what it is! It's an excavator! Yeah! Look, there's the cab where workers sit to control, the boom, the arm, and the bucket. Wait a minute, that's not the bucket. Those are seats. You know what? I bet we can ride this excavator. Yeah, this isn't any ordinary excavator. This is Spin Dizzy. And it's a ride. Yeah, it's called Spin Dizzy because you spin and get really dizzy. Okay, let's get on it. Woo! Here we go. Here we go! Woohoo! Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Look at me go! Whoa! 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 That was so fun! Woo! Whoa! Did you see that? Whoa! That was so much fun spinning in the excavator. I got a little bit dizzy. Whoa! That was so much fun today at Diggerland. We saw so many construction vehicles and we got to operate them. We even got to see an excavator. Well, that's the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name with me? Okay, get ready. B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi, good job. Well, I'll see you soon, bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!